Have you ever wondered how businesses can monetize AI? It's a question that's been gaining momentum in recent years as artificial intelligence, or AI, has rapidly developed from a futuristic concept into a tangible, transformative force. Artificial intelligence, at its core, is the creation of machines that can mimic human intelligence. It's about designing algorithms that allow computers to learn from data and then make predictions or decisions based on that learning. But AI goes beyond just algorithms and data. It's about creating systems that can understand, learn, predict, adapt, and potentially operate autonomously. The potential of AI is vast and varied. From the world of finance, where it's used to detect fraudulent transactions, to healthcare, where it's being employed to predict patient outcomes and tailor treatments, AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work. In the realm of technology, companies like Google and Amazon are harnessing the power of AI to enhance user experience. Google's search engine, for instance, uses AI to deliver more accurate search results, while Amazon's Alexa uses AI to understand and respond to voice commands. But it's not just the tech giants who are leveraging AI. Small and medium-sized businesses, too, are tapping into its potential. Retailers are using AI to predict consumer behavior and personalize offers, while manufacturers are employing AI to optimize production processes and reduce downtime. The transformative power of AI is undeniable. It's reshaping industries, redefining customer experiences, and reimagining the way businesses operate. And with AI's capabilities only set to grow, its impact is only going to get bigger. But with all these advancements, opportunities, and transformations that AI brings, it's not just about harnessing its power for operational efficiency or enhanced user experience. It's also about how businesses can monetize it. How can they turn AI, this intangible asset, into a source of revenue? How can they leverage AI to drive business growth and profitability? The question then arises, how can businesses monetize AI? Let's dive in. One of the most direct ways businesses can monetize AI is by offering it as a service. Now, you might be wondering, what does it mean to offer AI as a service? Well, in simple terms, AI as a service, or AI, is when a company provides customers with access to artificial intelligence algorithms or computing resources they can use to create their own AI models. Think of it as a buffet of AI capabilities that businesses can pick and choose from to suit their specific needs. Take Google Cloud Platform, for instance. It offers a variety of AI services, from image recognition and natural language processing to artificial vision. These tools aren't just for tech giants or AI startups. Businesses of all sizes and from all industries can use these AI services to enhance their products and services. A small fashion retailer, for instance, could use image recognition to create a visual search tool for its website. Or a healthcare provider could use natural language processing to develop a chatbot that answers patients' questions. But it's not just about enhancing products and services. AI as a service can also be a revenue generator in its own right. Businesses that develop sophisticated AI models or algorithms can offer them to other companies on a subscription basis. This allows the company offering the AI service to generate steady, recurring revenue. AI as a service also opens up new possibilities for businesses that may not have the resources or expertise to develop their own AI solutions. By tapping into AIS, these businesses can leverage the power of AI without having to make a significant upfront investment. So, whether it's by providing access to sophisticated AI models or by creating platforms that allow customers to build their own AI solutions, AI as a service is a compelling way for businesses to monetize artificial intelligence. Clearly, AI as a service presents a lucrative avenue for businesses. Integrating AI into existing products and services is another way businesses can monetize this technology. This approach is not about creating something entirely new, but rather about enhancing what's already in place. It's about making the user experience better, boosting productivity, or cutting down costs, all with the help of AI. Let's take a closer look at how this works. Consider Amazon, a household name that's no stranger to leveraging AI. The tech giant uses artificial intelligence to recommend products to its customers. You've likely noticed the "customers who bought this also bought" section when you're shopping. This is AI at work, analyzing your shopping habits, comparing them to others, and predicting what else you might want to buy. It's a clever way to increase sales without being too intrusive. Next, let's turn our attention to Netflix, another titan that's effectively monetizing AI. Ever wondered how Netflix always seems to know just what movie or TV show you're in the mood for? That's because they use AI to analyze your viewing history, along with the viewing history of millions of other users, to generate personalized recommendations. This not only enhances the user experience but also keeps viewers hooked, leading to more subscription renewals and consequently increased revenue. But it's not just the big players who can monetize AI this way. Smaller businesses, too, can integrate AI into their products and services to improve user experience or to cut costs. For instance, a small online store could use AI to recommend products, or a local restaurant could use AI to predict busy times and optimize staffing. By integrating AI into their products and services, businesses can not only enhance their offerings, but also generate additional revenue. This approach is a testament to the versatility of AI, showing that with a bit of creativity and strategy, there are numerous ways to monetize this exciting technology. Advertising, a traditional revenue generator for businesses, can also benefit from AI. Let's dive into how AI is redefining the advertising landscape. The world of advertising is ever evolving, with new technologies constantly reshaping the way businesses reach out to their potential customers. Among these technologies, artificial intelligence stands out, offering more precision, personalization, and effectiveness. AI has the power to make advertising more efficient by analyzing vast amounts of data to identify patterns, anticipate customer behavior, and deliver tailored advertising campaigns. This means businesses can target their audience more accurately, ensuring their messages reach the right people at the right time. Consider the case of Facebook, a platform that has harnessed the power of AI to revolutionize targeted advertising. By analyzing user data from likes and shares to comments and searches, Facebook's AI algorithms can predict what type of content a user will be interested in. This allows advertisers to tailor their campaigns to specific groups of people based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. The result? More relevant ads for users and, for businesses, a higher return on advertising spend. It's a win-win situation. Facebook's use of AI in advertising is a testament to how this technology can turn advertising from a scattershot approach into a laser-focused strategy. But it's not just about targeting. AI can also improve the creative process in advertising. It can generate ad copy, design layouts, or even suggest the best times to run a campaign. This helps businesses create ads that are not only tailored to their audience, but also more engaging and effective. And let's not forget about AI's role in measurement and analysis. By tracking and analyzing the performance of advertising campaigns in real time, AI can provide valuable insights into what's working and what's not, enabling businesses to fine-tune their strategies and maximize their advertising ROI. In conclusion, AI is making advertising smarter, more efficient, and ultimately more profitable. It's not just about reaching more people, it's about reaching the right people with the right message at the right time. With AI, businesses can make their advertising efforts more fruitful and profitable. AI offers a multitude of opportunities for businesses to monetize. As we've seen throughout this video, the rapid development and increasing sophistication of artificial intelligence technologies have the potential to revolutionize a wide array of industries. Let's take a moment to recap. We've discussed how AI can be sold as a service, with companies providing access to their AI models or creating platforms that enable customers to build their own. This approach allows businesses of all sizes to harness the power of AI, improving their products and services in the process. We've also explored how AI can be integrated into existing products and services. By leveraging AI, companies can enhance the customer experience, boost productivity, and cut costs. From Amazon's product recommendations to Netflix's personalized viewing suggestions, AI is already making a significant impact. And let's not forget about advertising. Traditionally a major revenue source for businesses, advertising can be greatly enhanced with the help of AI. By better targeting ads based on user interests, companies can increase their revenue and improve the effectiveness of their advertising campaigns. The key takeaway is clear. AI opens up a wealth of opportunities for businesses to monetize. It's not just about increasing revenue, it's also about gaining a competitive edge. By adopting AI, businesses can not only improve their products and services, but also stay ahead in an increasingly digital world. But remember, the world of AI is vast and ever-changing. It's a field that requires continuous learning and adaptation, and that's where we come in. If you want to learn more about monetizing AI, subscribe to this channel. We post new videos about AI every week. Stay tuned for more insights and advice on how you can leverage the power of AI to transform your business. Let's embark on this journey together, diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.